what I like to do for fun, bud. It's okay, I got it. I love you. Right when you start welding, I hate you, little shit. No, I don't. No, I don't. I love you, mama. You don't have forward-facing camera? You know better than talk to me like that when I'm hurting, Linda. I really wanted me to film him welding right now. You know better than talk to me like that when I'm hurting, Linda. I really feel like you don't love me. See my pretty ass fucking face. Oh, look, I broke it. Look at that. Would you look at that? You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go. Why am I still standing here? All right, gang. This situation is indicative of today's situation in the manufacturing world. These two are true representative of the species of what you would get for a helper. You got the clown and the clown. Hey. It's a sideshow. They get to work. They I wish you'd tighten up. Well, Mo, we're just practicing for whenever you die. What are we gonna do when you die? Well, I give you shit and you take it with you. You either put it in your back pocket and you never bring it out, or you put it in your back pocket and when you need it, you get to use it. But I'm gonna die one day and you're gonna need to know every damn thing I'm giving you. Are you hurt? I'm listening. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, get going, bro. I'm going, man. I was trying to make it look nice, sorry. No. Just eyeball that shit and let's go. We gotta hang these damn trusses and get the 1x4s on there today, man. Some 10. You put new on the top. New on the top. Gotta have new on the top.
I'm gonna have new all the way around. I ain't paying for nothing but the 10.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Let's not disclose any of that.
My name is Mud.
So anyway, he's putting the clips on. We're gonna bolt them damn trusses on. It's gonna run down one side and down and then across, and a little dab on the inside just to keep it from breaking off. It's only gonna be like a 1/4 inch bolt holding the damn trusses on, so there's no need to 100% weld that shit. It's like cat shit. You're gonna be covering it up anyway.